Replacing your 2017-2020 Honda CR-V key fob battery is straightforward. The fob uses a CR2032 battery. First, ensure your vehicle is off and keys are nearby. Then, locate the small notch on the fob's edge. Use a small screwdriver or pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing. Work slowly and carefully. With the fob open, note the orientation of the CR2032 battery before removing it. The positive side usually faces up. Pop out the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 in the same orientation. Ensure the battery is securely in place. Reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves together, applying even pressure to ensure the clips engage. Test the fob's range by unlocking your vehicle. A range of up to 30 feet is normal. If it doesn't work, recheck the battery orientation.